In this video, we are going to walk through how to add products into BigCommerce. I've already logged into BigCommerce and I'm at the home screen or the welcome screen when you first go into your account, where it gives you the store's performance summary, statistics, spotlight, and then your order information. We are going to go into products, and when you click products, it takes you directly into the view products page. Here you see all of the products that are added into the website. It's set by default to view 20 at a time. I always change this to view 100 at a time. And you can tell each product has its own row here. And there's a thumbnail of the image that's attached to that product. So we have the image, the product SKU, stock level, the product's name, its price, whether it's visible or not in the store, if it's a featured item, and then we have all of our detailed tools of what we can do with each individual product here. We can view it, which means we would view what it looks like in the store, edit the product, copy it, or view orders received on that product. So for our purposes, if we're going to add a new product, what we want to do is look through and try and find something that's similar to the product that we're going to add. So we've got the denim shirts here, we've got a denim jacket. I'm going to say I'm going to add a tank top. So I'm looking for a tank top, and I see one here, scattered lips, and it's also a featured product. So I'm going to click the three dots and go down to copy. And you'll notice it says copy a product, copy of scattered lips. So this is the new product that I'm creating. This isn't replacing that product. And so I need to rename it. So this is going to be the new hearts tank, let's say. The price, this is the retail price. So this is the price that it's actually selling for in the store. I'm just going to assume it's the same price because it's a similar product. And then if we click more pricing, this is where we'll include the cost price of this product. Let's see, it was, I don't know, let's just say it was $30, and instead of it being the same exact price, it was $61. So then I'm going to toggle that back by clicking less pricing. And do nothing here, do nothing here. This is the categories for this specific product. It's in Shop All. It's also in Tops. And if we had a tanks category, I could click the tanks category and it would show in all of those different places. It is a physical product. You don't need to change this. This would be if it were a video or a song or something, physical products or anything that are, that's physical, it's tangible. We need to change the product code or SKU. And so I'm going to change this to 1N0045TS, and I'll just say new tank because it's not I don't want you to think it's actually I'll change it to this so you don't think it's a new product. So TS new tank sample. The weight, these are just filled in. We're not actually doing the automated shipping, and so I just fill something in these spaces so that it doesn't give you an error message. So you don't need to do anything here. This is the description of this product. So we need to change this because this isn't the scattered red shimmering lips sparkle with crystals. This is going to be, what did I say? Hearts. So we'll just say scattered hearts. Shimmering sparkle with crystals. And there's nothing else that we need to enter on this tab of the product. We do need to go to images though and change the images because this image is incorrect. This is the one for the lips and we need hearts. So I'm going to click this image, delete selected, and I'm going to select the proper image from my computer. Since this isn't actually a real product, I'm just going to grab something that I've saved on my computer, and then it'll automatically make that the thumbnail of that product. If I wanted to add multiple images, I could also do select images from the computer and then choose, multiple images at one time by clicking the first one and then holding the shift key and clicking the last one and then clicking open, and then it'll add all 3 of the images at the same time. Inventory. Right now, for the products, we weren't tracking inventory. If you did want to track inventory for the product, then you would change it to this box, and then you add however many pieces of it you have. So the current stock level, we'll say 32 of them. The low stock level, this would be if you wanted the website to send you an email when you were almost out, then you would change the, this to say, let me know when I only have 2. This is most likely what we would need to do if you were tracking inventory. We would need to track inventory by options. Options are by size and color. So if we, obviously you're going to have the tank available from, maybe extra small to extra large, and then it could be in white, black, and gray, or it could be only white. But if it's 2 variations, then that means there's options attached to it, and so we would need to track it by options. So we'll discuss that later. I don't want to get sidetracked on that. The other details tab is the last important page. This is where you tell the site what order to sort the products in. And so if you would give a lower number for the first item that you would want to show up in that category, and then just higher numbers for, products that you want to show second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. So we'll just say sort order is 1. And do save and close. And then this is our new product that I've just created here.